Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to get UGC access and upload hats on Roblox. In order to apply for UGC application, all you have to do is firstly open your browser and in the search panel, you'll type UGC application Roblox. Then open the Google search. Now a developer forum link will pop up at the top search. Just left click on it. Now you will find the UGC program application page. From here you can see all the rules and regulations that are mandatory to be a UGC member. And in order to apply, you have to just come at the bottom of the page and click on this link. So after clicking on the link, you will be redirected to a new page where there will be some set rules that you need to follow in order to apply. Firstly, you have to upload a model of any of the given items here, which are hat, hair, face, which has to be 3D, neck, shoulder, front, back, waist, and layered clothes. If you need any kinds of inspiration, you can head to the avatar shop of Roblox, where you will find tons of items that you can take inspiration from. You have to add images of your accessories to a talent hub portfolio and link it in the link down below. And also they are wanting a unique build, so if you are able to set yourself apart from other creations that are already in the shop, you will have an edge in your application. And in order to model a hat in Blender, you can check out tutorials on how to create 3D models using Blender on YouTube. There are several great resources available on YouTube. So firstly, in Roblox Studio, right click on the model you want to work on and select export. Export the model as an OBJ that will allow you to import it into Blender for further editing. In order to create your UGC portfolio, visit the Roblox Talent Hub and create a portfolio. Add images of your accessories to your portfolio and make sure they showcase your best work and those that are original. Also link your portfolio in your UGC application, which is mandatory. Roblox's UGC program is now open permanently, so you can apply whenever you are ready. Follow the instructions on the UGC application page to submit your application. Be patient and don't get discouraged if you don't make it in your first try. Keep refining your skills and try again if needed. Remember, creating unique and high quality accessories is essential. Good luck with your UGC journey, and I hope to see your creations soon on Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.